1. What is the primary purpose of a persuasive passage? A. To tell a story. B. To explain a process. C. To convince the reader of a viewpoint. D. To describe a setting. 2. In reading comprehension, identifying the author's tone helps the reader to A. Memorize facts. B. Understand the author's attitude. C. Summarize the passage. D. Predict vocabulary. 3. A text structure that organizes information by comparing similarities and differences is A. Cause and effect. B. Sequence. C. Compare and contrast. D. Problem and solution. 4. Which of the following best defines inference? A. Restating the passage in your own words. B. Identifying the author's background. C. Drawing a logical conclusion from evidence. D. Listing key vocabulary. 5. In a nonfiction passage, a supporting detail serves to A. Add humor. B. Distract the reader. C. Reinforce the main idea. D. Replace the introduction. 6. Which sentence is grammatically correct? A. The teacher and the student was late. B. The student is studying hard. C. She and I are attending the seminar. D. Him and her are leaving now. 7. Which word correctly completes this sentence? The student left. Book on the desk? A. There. B. There. C. There. D. His. 8. What type of sentence is this? Although he was tired, he finished grading papers. A. Simple. B. Compound. C. Complex. D. Fragment. 9. Choose the correctly punctuated sentence. A. I bought apples, oranges, and bananas. B. I bought apples, oranges, and bananas. C. I bought apples, oranges, and bananas. D. I bought apples, oranges, and bananas. 10. Which sentence contains a misplaced modifier? A. She nearly ate a whole pizza. B. Almost everyone in the room stood up. C. Running down the street, the backpack fell off. D. We saw a movie after dinner. 11. A teacher has 24 students and wants to form equal groups with no one left out. Which number could not be the number of students in each group? A. 3. B. 4. C. 5. D. 6. 12. What is the median of the following set? 2, 5, 7, 9, 10. A. 5. B. 7. C. 9. D. 6. 13. A line graph best displays A. Categorical data. B. Change over time. C. Geographic data. D. Survey results. 14. If the probability of rain is 40%, what is the probability that it won't rain? A. 60%. B. 40%. C. 20%. D. 10%. 15. In a pie chart representing a school's budget, the largest section likely represents A. Parking costs. B. Salaries. C. Office supplies. D. Electricity. 16. Which measure is most affected by extreme values? A. median, B. mode, C. mean, D. range. 17. The best method to visually compare quantities between categories is A. line graph, B. bar graph, C. histogram, D. scatter plot. 18. The thesis statement of an essay typically appears A. at the end of the introduction, B. in the conclusion, C. at the beginning of each body paragraph, D. in the footnotes. 19. Which of the following is a transitional phrase? A. on the contrary, B. therefore, C. in conclusion, D. all of the above. 20. What is the purpose of a topic sentence? A. to restate the thesis, B. to introduce the main idea of a paragraph, C. to conclude the essay, D. to define a term. 21. Which of the following demonstrates parallel structure? A. she likes dancing, to run, and swimming. B. he enjoys reading, writing, and jogging. C. they wanted to win, to celebrate, and happy. D. the teacher is patient, kind, and teaches well. 22. Which sentence is most appropriate for an academic essay? A. I totally think it's unfair. B. the situation sucks. C. it is unjust to impose such restrictions. D. this is messed up. 23. Which argument contains a logical fallacy? A. if it rains, the ground gets wet. B. everyone's doing it, so it must be right. C. he studied and therefore passed. D. teachers plan their lessons in advance. 24. The best way to strengthen an argument is to A. add more adjectives, B. include personal stories, C. use statistics and credible sources, D. repeat your point. 25. A student claims the school should add more arts programs. What would be a strong supporting detail? A. arts are fun. B. my friend likes music. C. studies show arts improve academic performance. D. I just like painting. Test of Academic Proficiency. The Test of Academic Proficiency (TAP) is a standardized exam designed to evaluate the foundational academic skills of prospective educators, primarily in the areas of reading, language arts, mathematics, and writing. It is often required for entry into teacher preparation programs or for licensure in some U.S. states. The TAP assesses a candidate's ability to comprehend complex texts, apply grammar and writing principles, perform quantitative reasoning, and construct effective written responses. The exam ensures that future educators possess the essential competencies needed to support student learning and succeed in a professional academic environment. Achieving a passing score demonstrates readiness for advanced training and commitment to educational excellence. Here are the top 5 beneficial uses of the sample exam. 1. Program admission requirement. TAP is often a prerequisite for entrance into teacher education programs, ensuring candidates meet basic academic standards before advancing to pedagogical training. 2. Measures foundational skills. The exam evaluates key competencies in reading, writing, and mathematics, skills essential for effective teaching and classroom communication. 3. Supports educator readiness. TAP helps verify that aspiring teachers possess the critical thinking and academic proficiency required to handle instructional demands and curriculum delivery. 4. Strengthens professional credentials. Successfully passing TAP enhances a candidate's teaching profile, demonstrating a commitment to academic and professional standards. 5. Guides skill development. The exam results provide feedback that can help individuals identify strengths and areas for improvement, guiding further preparation and academic growth.